Dyma ni, da ni'n mynd i gymryd golwg ar contacts yn Google. Okay, we're going to have a look at contacts in Google. Be sy'n bwysig os da ni'n chwarae mewn band neu rhedeg busnes ydy bod ni yn gallu storio a cadw data yn drefnus ac ella i grwpio fo fel bod o'n gweithio yn dda i ni. So we're going to be looking at means of grouping contacts in a really useful way. So that if we need to, we can, get in contact with a certain group of people with one email. Okay, ffordd o wneud hyn ydy drwy edrych ar grwpiau, so os ai dangos i chi yn my contacts fan hyn, mae gen I sawl grŵp. Okay, I've got quite a few groups here. There's my band, Bryn Fawn ar band. I've got, this is a kayaking club I'm a member of. I've got family members here, only 5 friends. Gwersi gitar, okay, mae'r gwersi gitar I gyd efo yma, PA and lighting. So, yn amlwg, cwmnïau sain a goleuo, okay, PA and lighting companies. If I click on here, I've got details for different PA and lighting companies that I can get in contact with. I have all the details there. I can phone up, ask for a price for a gig, and have a quote for a tour of gigs or whatever. Mae yna 2 ffordd o wneud grŵp yn fan hyn efo cysylltiadau yma. Fedra I fynd I chwith efo yma lawr I new group. Okay, I can create a new group here. Na I reid test group I fewn efo yma. Band metal. A wedyn, dyna ni, mor syml o hynny. Dwi jyst yn clicio ar hwnna. A fel gwelwch chi, os I nôl I my contacts. You can see that there's a group there just called Band Metal. So far there's no contacts in there, but I can find contacts by adding to Band Metal, clicking on this plus sign and just putting a name in here. So some of my level 2 diploma students are in a band together. Connor, here we are, Connor. I can just click, his details come up. Dwi'n ychwanegu Connor o fanna, mae yna fyfyriwr arall, Leon, maen nhw gyd mewn band efo'i gilydd. Dwi'n ychwanegu Leon. Hwna dod I fyny, and then there's a 3rd band member called Henry. Here we are, Henry, and I'm going to add Henry to the group as well. Unwaith da ni yn y grŵp, fedra I glicio, mae Leon Connor yn dod I fyny, a fel welwch chi, mae Connor felly, o dan my contacts, mae o hefyd o dan y grŵp Band Metal, a mae o hefyd mewn cylchoedd. Okay, he's also in the circles, music circles. That's a Google kind of website thing. So the different various sites that he's in come up here. Os dwi angen rhaid Connor mewn grŵp arall, fel ddudais I mae Connor yn fyfyriwr diploma level 2. Connor is also a level 2 diploma student, and therefore, say I wanted to put him in a group, which meant the whole class was in a group, the whole diploma group. I could click on this to add him to a new group here. If the group that I need isn't there, I can create a new one by creating new and call this diploma group. And then click OK. A fel da ni'n gweld ar yr ochr efo yma, mae diploma grŵp yna, mae yna un aelod yno, sef Connor. Okay. Dyna sa'n nôl wedyn I Band Metal. A dwi eisiau rhaid y 2 arall. Okay, if I want to put the other 2 in, there's Henry. I can also click on this groups and add Henry to my diploma group and add apply and go back. And then I could also add Leon. Let's have a look, let's see, I could probably add them both. Yeah, there we are. Sorry, let's click on the wrong one. Add, yeah. But I clicio on nhw gyd, basically, a gadio nhw gyd I diploma, fel la. Apply, maen nhw gyd yn mynd yna. So, diploma, group 3, maen nhw gyd yna. Band Metal, they're all there again. Okay, so just drwy selectio nhw gyd o fanna, fedra I ychwanegu nhw. If I select them all, I can add them all to a group in one click. Be sy'n dda hefyd ydy, weithiau, okay, dwi efo'r band metal, y grŵp band metal efo yma wan. Pe bawn i yn aelod efo'r band hefyd, yma gynnau fanylion gig dwi eisiau yrru i'r 3 a dwi eisiau atab, dwi eisiau gyrru e-bost i'r 3 drwy glicio y fan hyn ag cael y 3 dod i fyny by clicking here having all 3 coming up. I can send them all an email. Excuse me. It's just loading up, so I can send a group email, and there you can see that all their addresses come up in the email, and that saves me time. You know, makes things more happen a lot quicker for me, and a lot tidier having everything in one group and being able to send one email. So there we go. Really, that's the groups. Obviously, new contact. If you've already got somebody's contact details, you can click here, add the name, add the email, the address. It's pretty straightforward. Hefyd, fydwch chi fynd I directory yn fyma. Okay, so mae'r directory yma I grŵp Llandrillo Llomenau. Okay, this is group Llandrillo Llomenau directory only, and there's a search here. You can search for, you know, a student. Maybe there we are, another one of my diploma students, and then I could add that student then to my contacts or to a group. So dyna ni, gweithio mewn grwpiau, fel ydys i fyma, yn galluogi gyrru e-byst, cysylltu efo lot o bobl gyda un e-bost ac yn gallu cadw pethau'n drefnus iawn. Okay? You can keep things really tidy, you know, having a group for your PA, having a group for guitar lessons, for example, having a band group. So, you know, it's a really useful tool to have and a really good way in managing, you know, important data.